Hello scientists, today in chemistry we'll be discussing neutral and charged atoms. Oftentimes students are always confused between the two of them, but today we are going to clarify that. Before we proceed, let's remind ourselves. Neutral atoms are those atoms that are still in their neutral state, that they have not reacted or combined with any other atoms of their element or another element, while the charged atoms are the ones that have either given off electrons or accept electrons. So whenever they give off electrons, they become what? Positively charged, while whenever they accept electrons, they become what? Negatively charged. So we are going to elucidate that using the question we have on the board. On the board we have neutral atoms, number of electrons, then the charged atoms for the same element, then the number of what? Electrons. We have sodium having what? Atomic number or what? Proton number 11. Recall we say that atomic number equals the what? Number of what? Electrons for a neutral atoms. So for a neutral atom. So it implies that the number of electrons for sodium here is what? 11. When sodium is charged, it forms what? Sodium what? Ion. Forms sodium ion, meaning that sodium has what? Lost one what? Electron. So the number of electron now becomes what? 10. So it's lost one electron, right? Then the second one is magnesium. Magnesium has atomic number of 12. So the electron number is what? 12, because it is a neutral atom. So this is what? 12 also. So when magnesium is charged, it becomes what? Magnesium ion, which is what? Mg, then what? 2 plus. So the number of electron here is what? 10, because it lost 2 electrons to become what? Positively charged by 2. The next one we have is oxygen. Oxygen has atomic number of what? 8. It implies that the number of electrons here is what? 8. Then whenever oxygen is charged, it becomes what? Oxygen ion. So it has what? 2 minus, meaning that oxygen accepted 2 electrons to be what? Negatively charged. It implies that the number of electrons here is what? 10, right? Then we have chlorine. So chlorine has atomic number of what? 17. It implies that the number of electrons is equals what? 17, right? So we have 17. So whenever chlorine is charged, it forms what? Chlorine ion. So chlorine ion, meaning that it accepted 1 electron. So if it accepts 1 electron, the number of electrons now becomes what? 18, right? Then finally we have what? Aluminium. Aluminium has atomic number or what? Proton number 13. It means that the number of electron is what? 13. So when aluminium is charged, it loses 3 electrons to become what? To become aluminium ion. So if it loses 3 electrons, the number of electrons now for the charged aluminium becomes what? 10. So that is that for neutral and charged atoms. Thank you for listening.